This is such a beautiful wedding. I love the decorations.
I know, right? Everything looks so elegant and romantic.
Did you see the bride's dress? It's stunning.
Yes, it's absolutely gorgeous. She looks like a princess.
The ceremony was so touching. I couldn't help but tear up.
I know, it was really emotional. They're such a perfect match.
Have you tried the wedding cake yet? It's delicious.
Yes, I had a slice earlier. It's definitely one of the best wedding cakes I've ever had.
The music is great, isn't it?
Yes, the DJ is doing an awesome job. I love this song.
Did you travel far to get here?
Yeah, I had to fly in from out of town. How about you?
I just drove a couple of hours. Not too bad. Do you know any of the other guests at the wedding?
A few, but most of them are friends of the bride and groom. How about you?
I don't really know anyone besides the couple, but everyone seems friendly.
Have you ever been to a wedding that was completely different from this one?
Yeah, I went to a beach wedding once that was really casual and laid back. This one is definitely more formal.
That sounds like it was fun. I've never been to a beach wedding before.
Have you been to this venue before?
No, I haven't. It's really beautiful, though. How about you?
Yeah, I was here for another wedding a few years ago. It's definitely one of the nicest venues in the area. Do you have any tips for dancing at a wedding?
Just let loose and have fun. Nobody is judging you, and everyone is here to celebrate. How about you?
I'm not the best dancer, but I'll give it a try. Have you seen the wedding favors? They're so cute.
Yeah, I love them. The couple did a great job with the little details.
I agree. It's the small things that make a big difference.
What's your favorite part of weddings?
I really enjoy the speeches and toasts. It's always heartwarming to hear people talk about the couple and their relationship. How about you?
I love dancing. It's a great way to let loose and celebrate.
What do you think of the photo booth?
It's so much fun. I love the silly props and backdrops.
Me too. I can't wait to see the pictures. This is such a great wedding. I'm so happy for the couple.
I know, right? They really seem meant to be together. It's wonderful to see them so happy. Have you tried the food yet? Yes, it's delicious. The steak is amazing.
Do you know the couple well?
Yes, I've known them for a few years now. They're great people.
What do you think of the ceremony?
It was absolutely beautiful. I loved the vows they wrote for each other.
It was absolutely beautiful. I love the vows they wrote for each other. Are you having a good time at the wedding?
Yes, I'm having a blast. The DJ is playing some great music and everyone seems to be having fun. Have you met anyone new at the wedding?
Yes, I just met the bride's cousin. She seems really nice. Do you have any plans for the rest of the night?
Just to dance and have a good time. How about you? What do you think of the wedding venue?
It's beautiful. I love the outdoor setting and the decorations are stunning. Hello friends. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe channel.